All right, so moving on to the distribution part. After we have uploaded it, you should be able to see this, that if nothing goes wrong, right, it's gonna ask you, do you want to pay the 5% royal fee, right? If you do have some income, you probably want that. And go down here, go to the alpha channel, that's where we release it, right? And go to the plus button here and type in the email address that you wanted to you want the guy, the email address of the guy you want to distribute to. That email address will be the address you used on the phone. So on the phone, if you go to this Oculus Gear VR program, you should have this if you have Gear VR on it. If you don't, just go to Play Store and install it. Anyway, go to the Oculus, right? And if this is the first time that you install it, you have to register with an email address, and that email address, which the one you wanted to distribute to, that they use, that email address they use, you have to use that email address here, so that you will distribute this to them. And I'm gonna type in mine for now. And then you hit agree here, and then say add users, right? And the pending user will be listed here, and then you also, the other guy will also get an email. An email will be sent to that email address, and just go there and click on it, right? It's gonna be like this, and you just say click on this link, and it's gonna say, oops, no longer valid. Now let me try that again. I guess I've done it many times, so it's actually here. Okay, so you click on this link, right? It's gonna say, congrats, you now have access to this pre-released app. So just go here after that's done. If that's the email address used for this particular account you're using on the phone, you can again go to the Oculus app, and you can go to the library, and you should be able to see that test VR list there. That's the one that I just uploaded, right? Just click on it, and it's gonna ask you to, put this into the Gear VR headset, and just put it in, and it should work right away. All right, so I'm not gonna show you that process, but that is it for the entire process. And you can just add in a lot of different people here, right? Just add in a lot of email addresses and add users, and they can just use it right away on their phone. All right, that's gonna be it for this entire tutorial. I hope that everything here works. If they don't, that's probably because of the newer versions has changed something, which is really ugly. But when you're trying new stuff, it's gonna be like this. Since we'll change down the way, and and I don't think that there is complete support to things like HoloLens or those even newer stuff, or AR, things like that. So yeah. Anyway, this is more like a reference, a tutorial for my own reference, so that I can go back and if I wanted to create a new project, because I will forget a lot of things down the way, so I have to somehow have a note for this. So this is primarily for myself, but if you found this really helpful, I'm really glad that I did this. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.